Thank you. Now, if you've ever had to light a large area using floodlights, you'll know that in order to get the largest, most even light possible and with the least glare, you want to get a light as high as you possibly can. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to attach a floodlight to a shipping container using a scaffolding pole. I might have to wait till daylight to start though. For this you're going to need 2 domino clamps, an 8mm and a 10mm hex key, a socket set and adjustable spanner, our floodlight kit comprising of 2 48mm tube clamps with 4 M12 by 30 screws and washers with 1 bored through, and a floodlight bracket. A scaffold pole at the length that you require, up to 6.1 meters or 21 feet. And of course a floodlight. Please check that it's compatible with the bracket that we supply. You can follow the link in the comments of this video for more details. This one here has been kindly lent to us by fellow Made in Britain member and manufacturer of floodlights, Bright LED. Let's start with a domino clamp in each of the upper and lower castings on any side of your shipping container. If you're not sure how to do this, please follow the link to the full explainer video. We're going to start by taking the tube clamp that hasn't been bored through and bolt it onto the bottom domino, and the one which has been drilled through on a single bolt in the top domino, allowing it to dangle to one side like this. Then we simply feed our steel tube up and through the top clamp and attach the floodlight and flood bracket. Now we can push the steel tube the rest of the way through the top tube clamp and lower it back down into the lower tube clamp. The last bolt goes into the top tube clamp and we do up all of the grub screws and everything else nice and tight. So there it is, a floodlight attached securely to a shipping container. That's actually only 4 meters up there, so you could go another 2.1 meters. You can use the full length of a scaffolding pole, that's 6.1 meters in total, 21 foot if you're an old timer, if you're an actual scaffolder or an American. So follow us here on YouTube for more instructional videos and ideas on how to use domino clamps. We're on the other social channels as well, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, always /domino clamps. And in the meantime, happy clamping.